Hey besties, it's your girl Aurora and I'm back with another unboxing video. So a friend reached out to me and she said she wanted to start a small lip gloss business, and she sent me pictures of what she wanted for her business that should help her to procure. And then, as your girl, she's the baddest in the game. I helped her to get some items. We didn't actually get all of the items, but we were able to get some of them, and hopefully soon we're going to get most of the items. So this is like a quick unboxing video to show you guys the items that we got and the quality. As you know, I told you guys there's a misconception about China orders. People think that you can't get quality stuff from there, but your girl is biased, so I will always get quality stuff. So these are silicone lips for when you're done making your lip gloss and you want to showcase them. And then we got holographic pouches, and these pouches are very cute, they are nice, and we got a matching thank you card. So this next one is these are lip color pigments that we got them in 12 different colors. This one right here is sky blue, and this one is taro purple. There are other colors there, so I can't show you guys all the colors, but they're actually very nice, and they come in 10 mils or so. And this is a large syringe in 350 ml, and we got pipettes. When you want to fill your tubes, you need this. And then we got these are like fruit slices. They're so cute, they're so nice, I love them. They're fruit slices, when you want to make your decoration in your bottle. And this is for lip mask, cute tiny 10 grams container. And then these are the tubes we got. Oh my god, this tube is so nice, it even has a lock. And then we got fragrance in 12 different fragrances. We got different types, and they smell so amazing. They're so nice, like I can't begin to describe how nice they smell. We have different varieties from cherry to strawberry, as you guys can see in the picture, and they are very concentrated. And we also got shimmer for like we call them mica. I don't know if it's mica or mica. I love this tube too. It's like transparent and very nice, and it's thick, and I especially love the wand. This one, I don't know if we're going to get this one again because they're especially bigger than we actually expected them to be, but they were very nice, also good quality. We got them in different colors, but I think they're about 8 mils. So yeah, you guys can see how big it is. Like, the wand is so big. I wasn't expecting it to be that big, but what can I do? And then we got these cute little ones. I don't know what these are, just got them, and they came even with an extra. And we got a spatula. These gloves, oh my god, actually when I saw these gloves in the picture, I thought it was going to be like light, but this is like very thick. And then we got this glitters, for beauty. And what else again? We got them in different colors. As you guys can see, we got them in gold, green, red. We got them in silver, black. About 12 different colors of glitters. You can use this for your makeup also. And this is a cosmetic grade for you to arrange your products when you're done formulating, to showcase to your customers and stuff like that. We got some other random stuff though. This is a root bottle for people that make cornrows and you want to reach out to your roots and oil them. It's not related to this, but I just want to show you guys. And this wall hangers, you stick them to the wall, and they're very nice. I've not tried them out though, but they have like stickers. It's sticky, so I'll try them and show you guys later. And I got some glasses for some of my customers. So that's it guys for this video. See ya.